Did you know that around 76% of telecom industry professionals consider machine learning a game-changing technology and want its adoption within the next 3 years? Hi, my name is Archana and I work with Royal Cyber as customer engagement representative, and I'm here to inform you that we are hosting a webinar in June where our data science experts will be answering all your questions on building an end-to-end ML solutions for telecom businesses.
Telecommunication companies can reduce their churn rates through Databricks Machine Learning tool. Hi, my name is Muhammad Umar Amanat and I'm working as a data scientist at Royal Cyber. My teammate Dr. Hassan Sherwani, who is the head of data science and data analytics, will be leading this webinar. We will educate you on what do we mean by end-to-end ML solutions, the challenges involved in creating new machine learning projects, the principle of managing machine learning projects, and how to use Databricks through Telecom case study.
Click on the link to register and stand a chance to win $35 Uber Eats gift card. Have a great day. We'll see you there.